Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're counting down the top 7 electric rebar benders, ranked from weakest to the absolute best. We'll cover the features, pros, cons, and who they're perfect for. So stick around to find out the one that matches your needs. Let's get started. Coming in at number 7, we have the Anbull RB-16P. This little guy might be the most compact option on our list, but don't let its size fool you. It's a reliable choice for smaller, less demanding projects. With a 900-watt motor, it's capable of bending rebar up to 5/8 inch thick, making it a handy tool for light construction or home improvement tasks. The Anbull is known for its quiet operation, thanks to its hydraulic-powered piston, and the ergonomic back grip design makes it super easy to maneuver. The detachable positioning bolt is another nice touch, allowing you to set precise bending angles without much fuss. That said, it does have some limitations. The maximum bending angle is capped at 130 degrees, which might not be ideal if you need a full 180-degree bend. Plus, it's not as powerful as some of the higher-ranked models, so it's better suited for lighter-duty work. If you're working on a smaller job site or need something portable and budget-friendly, the Anbull RB-16P could be a solid option. But if you're tackling heavy-duty projects, keep watching, we've got much stronger contenders ahead. At number 6, we've got the IKK Diamond DBD-16H. This one is a classic in the rebar bender world, known for its durable build and straightforward operation. With a 1050-watt motor, it can handle 5/8 inch rebar with ease, and the adjustable angle lever lets you achieve bends from 0 to 180 degrees. One standout feature of the Diamond is its portability. It's designed to be easy to carry around job sites, and the removable extension table and foot pedal gives you more flexibility when working on larger pieces. This is a practical, no-nonsense machine that gets the job done without unnecessary bells and whistles. However, it's not the fastest on the list, taking about 6 seconds for a 180-degree bend. And like the Anbull, it's limited to 5/8 inch rebar, which might not be sufficient for all users. If you need a simple, reliable bender for moderate workloads, the Diamond is a great choice. But if speed and versatility are your top priorities, the next options might be a better fit. Taking the 5th spot is the CenTall HRB-16. This model steps up the game with a more powerful motor and faster bending speed, clocking in at just 2 to 2.5 seconds per bend. It's designed for quick efficiency, making it an excellent choice for professionals who need to get the job done quickly. What sets the CenTall apart is its robust steel construction and ergonomic handles, which make it both durable and comfortable to use. The eccentric wheel design is another plus, as it accommodates different rebar thicknesses with ease. But like the previous two models, it's limited to 5/8 inch rebar and requires manual adjustment for different rebar sizes, which can slow you down on bigger projects. Overall, the CenTall is perfect for contractors who need a balance between portability and power. If you're working on small to medium scale projects, this bender is worth considering. Sliding into 4th place is the Metabo VB16Y, a versatile tool that combines both bending and cutting functions into one portable package. If you're looking for a machine that can do double duty, this one's got you covered. With a 530-watt motor, it can bend rebar up to 5/8 inch thick, making it perfect for light to medium duty jobs. What makes the Metabo shine is its precision and safety features. The variable speed trigger and safety lock give you complete control over the bending speed, while the reference markings on the bending plate make it easy to position your rebar. It's compact, easy to handle, and ideal for job sites where space is limited. However, its motor power is on the lower side compared to other models, and it's not as fast as some of the competition. Plus, while it's great for versatility, the 5/8 inch rebar limit might feel restrictive for more demanding projects. This is a fantastic choice for those who value versatility and portability. If you need a reliable tool for smaller projects or occasional use, the Metabo is definitely worth considering. Taking the 3rd spot is the VEVOR D22, a compact powerhouse that delivers impressive performance for its size. With a 1200-watt motor, this bender can handle rebar up to 7/8 inch thick, making it a versatile option for medium-duty jobs. Its quick bending speed, just 5 seconds per bend, adds to its appeal to professionals who need to maintain a steady workflow. The D22 stands out for its precision and durable build. It's designed with high-intensity hooks and a sturdy machine body, ensuring it holds up well under pressure. The lightweight design also makes it one of the more portable options on our list. But there's a catch. The bending angle is capped at 90 degrees, which limits its versatility for certain projects. If you're frequently working with rebar that requires sharper bends, this might not be the best fit. For contractors who need a fast, reliable machine for straightforward bending tasks, the VEVOR D22 is an excellent choice. It's powerful, portable, and built to last. In second place, we have the VEVOR D25, an upgraded version of the D22 that takes things to the next level. With a 1500 watt motor, it's the most powerful bender on our list and can handle rebar up to 1 inch thick. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for tackling tougher jobs. Like the D22, it's built to last with a sturdy design and high-intensity hooks. The D25 also retains its lightweight build, making it surprisingly portable for such a powerful machine. The combination of strength and portability makes it a favorite among professionals working on larger-scale projects. However, it shares the same limitation as the D22. The bending angle is restricted to 90 degrees. While this won't be an issue for many applications, it's worth noting if you need greater flexibility. If you're looking for a heavy-duty rebar bender that doesn't sacrifice portability, the VEVOR D25 is a fantastic option. It's powerful, reliable, and ready to handle tough jobs with ease. Finally taking the crown as the best electric rebar bender on our list is the VEVOR RB-16P. This is the ultimate tool for heavy-duty jobs with a whopping 1700 watt motor that can handle rebar up to 1 inch thick. Whether you're bending or cutting, this machine gets the job done with precision and power. The RB-16P offers full 180-degree bending capability, giving you complete flexibility for a wide range of applications. The foot pedal control is a game changer, allowing you to operate the machine hands-free and focus on precision. Its robust iron construction means it's built to withstand the toughest conditions, making it ideal for large-scale construction sites. Now, it's not without its drawbacks. At nearly 300 pounds, this machine is far from portable. It requires a dedicated workspace, so it's not the best choice if you need to move around frequently. But for stationary, high-volume work, it's absolutely unmatched. If you're serious about heavy-duty construction and need a machine that can handle the biggest jobs with ease, the VEVOR RB-16P is the one to beat. It's powerful, precise, and built to last. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. And if you're ready to grab one of these benders for your next project, check out the links in the description for the best deals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.